Dear students of class 5th, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and today we are going to study the topic Degrees of Comparison. We will cover the topic in two parts. In this video, we will study the concept of degrees of comparison, and in the second part, we will solve an exercise based on the same concept. Before we study the topic degrees of comparison, let us revise adjectives. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. An adjective qualifies, or in simple words, gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. An adjective tells about the quality, quantity, number, or order of the noun or pronoun that it describes. We have different kinds of adjectives, like for example, the adjective of quality, quantity, adjective of number, adjective of degree, and also adjective of frequency. But when we are studying children, the degrees of comparison, we will consider only the adjective of quality, degree of comparison. So, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called as the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to only one object, person, or place without making a comparison. It is the most simplest form of the adjective, which is known as the positive degree. So children, here we do not make any comparison with any other object. We only take one noun or object into account. So for example, she has a big house. So we are not comparing this house with any other house. We are just saying that this house is big. In the comparative degree, children, as the name itself suggests, we are comparing two things together. Okay, we are comparing two objects, to people, or to places. So the comparative degree is a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree, and it compares two quantities. Like for example, her house is bigger than my house. So we are taking two houses and we are comparing both of them. And we are when we are comparing, children, the adjective will always be followed by than. Like her house is bigger than my house. Okay. The greatest degree is the superlative degree. It is used to compare two or more objects, people, or places. Okay. So like for example, his house is the biggest of all. So children, as it is the greatest degree of comparison, you will always find the article the before the adjective, that is biggest. So amongst all the three houses, the one we are seeing in the picture on the left hand side, it is the biggest of all. So the superlative degree will always have the article the before it, because it is the it is the greatest of all, or it is the biggest of all, as you can see in the picture. So now we will study, children, certain rules for changing the degree of comparison. So the rule 1 says that we add a ER or an EST to the positive form of the adjective. Like for example, dull. So as you can see, dull is, the comparative will be duller and the superlative will be dullest. Okay. So we are adding an ER in the comparative degree and an EST in the superlative degree. So there are few more examples. Like for example, the adjective big in the comparative degree, we are having bigger, and in the superlative degree, we are having biggest. The same applies to the other adjectives: fat, fatter, fattest, wet, wetter, wettest, and sad, sadder, saddest, hot, hotter, hottest. So I think so the first rule is clear to all of you. The second rule says that when the positive ends in the alphabet E, we add only an R and ST to the adjective. So let's see an example to this rule. Like for example, the adjective large, we put R to it in the comparative degree and an ST in the superlative degree. So the large becomes larger and largest. We will see few more examples, children. Like for example, the adjective simple is in the positive degree, it becomes simpler in the comparative degree and becomes simplest in the superlative degree. I've highlighted the words that you are attaching. As you can see, children: large, larger, largest; gentle, gentler, gentlest; noble, nobler, noblest; wise, wiser, wisest; brave, braver, bravest; fine, finer, finest. Okay. The third rule says that when the positive ends in the consonant Y, then we drop the Y, and what do we add there? We add an IER and an IEST in the comparative and the superlative degree respectively. Now let's see the example. The first one is lucky. So as the rule says that we will drop the Y and we will put an IER in the comparative degree and an IEST in the superlative degree. As you can see, children, in the picture, the first person is getting a single 7, so he's lucky. The second person is getting a double 7, so he's luckier, and the third person is getting 777, so he is the luckiest of all. Okay. Now let's see few more examples of the same rule, which says happy. As you can see, the consonant Y will be removed, and what will we put in that place? An IER in the comparative degree, happier, and an IEST in the superlative degree, happiest. Lazy becomes lazier, laziest. Merry becomes merrier, merriest. Pretty becomes prettier, prettiest. Heavy becomes heavier and heaviest. The next rule says that when the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in the consonant, that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add an ER and EST to it. So let's see the example of this rule. So as you can see, children, red, it's ending in D. So in the comparative degree, we double it by redder and reddest. So a double DER and a double DEST. So now the next rule says when the positive is long, that is a word of 2 or more syllables, we will add more and most before the adjective to form a comparative and superlative degree. Now let's see the example. Now children, as it's the positive is long, so we will not add, like for example, we did in the previous one, redder, reddest. So we will not put a double L here and make it usefuler or usefulest, because it is totally wrong English. So here we will not add anything towards the end of the adjective, and what we will do, we will add a more in the comparative degree and we will add a most in the most in the superlative degree. So its comparative will become more useful and superlative will become most useful. The same we will do here, children, that in beautiful we will add more to it. So more beautiful, most beautiful. Wonderful will become more wonderful, most wonderful. Interesting will become more interesting, most interesting. Pleasant will become more pleasant, most pleasant. Peaceful will become more peaceful and most peaceful. So children, here we don't have to make the mistake by adding a double L and ER and EST to it. It's totally completely wrong English. So we will not add something towards the end of the adjective. We will instead add a more in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. So these exceptions of adjectives we have to always remember when we are changing the degrees of comparison. So this rule 6 says that there are some adjectives that do not form comparatives and superlatives from their positives. Means all the three will be different from each other. The word will not be similar in the comparative and superlative degree. And what do we call them? They are the irregular degrees of comparison. And such adjectives are called as irregular adjectives. So the exception, as you can see, is good, better, best. So as you can see the report card of the students, of the three different students. So based on the marks, we are calling them good, better, best. So the good is the positive degree, the better is the comparative degree, and best is the superlative degree. So we'll study few more examples, children. Like bad will become worse and worst, many will become more and most, little will become less and least. So these are, children, some exceptional adjectives. Like we studied the previous rule with more and most. So here also you have to remember that all the three degrees will be completely different, and neither we will put any word in front of it or at the back of it like the other rules. We all the three degrees are totally different, completely different from each other. Thank you, students.